Just hit Options or Alt-V to open Viinyx chat box, or click the floating icon on the side. Viinyx can read and summarize articles, blog, and social media posts on any web page. Summarize videos on any platform to quickly distill key points and accelerate your learning. Use Viinyx image capabilities to understand and interpret images. Edit, revise, summarize, explain, or translate any kind of text. Generate multiple responses from different AI providers. Use our powerful AI writing assistant to generate quick replies on social media posts. Just type // inside any comment box, hit reply, choose your preferred tone, and voila. Our powerful reply feature is contextually aware and allows you to generate relevant and personalized responses to even comment replies. Generate images inside rich text editors using your preferred image models. Instantly create documents, docx or PDF, inside any drop zone or file input.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check Lifetime Deal link in the description below.